YouTube has just made significant changes, and if you're a content creator in 2025, these changes will impact your earnings, views, and even your channel's future. Why this matters? If you post AI content, go live, or even use trending sounds, you need to watch this. Let's break it down fast, no fluff. Starting July 15th, YouTube now requires all monetized content to be original and transformative. No more lazy AI re-uploads or repurposed content. They're targeting mass-generated content, so if you're copying, reposting TikToks, or using auto voice with stock footage, your monetization is at risk. But don't panic, AI is still allowed, but your video must offer value. Add narration, reactions, commentary, make it your own. Don't just generate and post. Next up, live streams. You must now be 16 or older to go live. And if you're under 18, an adult must appear on camera during the stream. It's all about protecting minors. YouTube wants safer live content. So if you run a youth-focused channel, be ready to adapt. AI Search Carousel, new discovery feature. YouTube also launched a new AI search carousel in the US. It gives viewers curated results with auto-generated video clips. Why this matters to you? If your content is clear, well-tagged, and title-optimized, your video could get featured, even ahead of big creators. How to optimize for it? Use clear titles, short chapters, accurate tags, and closed captions. These help YouTube's AI understand and boost your video. Trending tab is gone. Say goodbye to the trending tab. It's being replaced with category-based charts like music, podcasts, and trailers. YouTube is getting more personal. YouTube is shifting toward personalized feeds and shorts. That means less global exposure, more audience-specific targeting. Short strategy alert. If you're not using shorts, you're missing out. One viral short can drive views to your entire channel. Shadow ban fears. Let's talk. Some creators are worried about shadow bans, but most drops in views come from low CTR or bad retention, not bans. Retention equals survival. The first 30 seconds of your video are everything. If people click away, YouTube stops pushing your content. Tips to survive the July update. Want to stay visible? Focus on 1. Original voice. 2. Strong hooks. 3. Engagement. Ask your viewers to comment. Bonus. Playlist trick. Here's a hack. Create keyword-based playlists. YouTube pushes playlists more than individual videos in some searches. Community tab boost. Post on your community tab 2 to 3 times a week. Use polls and trending news to engage your audience. It boosts your video velocity. So to recap, AI is allowed but must be original, live streams are restricted, shorts are exploding, and the algorithm favors engagement over everything. Hit subscribe if you want real-time YouTube updates like this. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Are these changes good or bad for creators?